Hello friends, good morning, namaste, sat sri akal. I'm Kulvinder, your KV is going to start today a new YouTube channel with the name Kulvinder Pharma Vision. For your success, my mission. I have started this YouTube channel especially keeping in mind the pharmacy graduates, B Pharm students, D Pharm students, science graduates or even non-pharma graduates who wants to enter pharma industry in the field of sales and marketing. I have planned so many videos in my mind like how to choose, why to choose, ladder of success, different between sales and marketing, and my many training programs. But my first video is on the topic why to choose MR as a career. Dear, this pharma industry is having plenty thousand number of pharmaceutical companies. The list of top 15 pharmaceutical companies is here for you. The first question which comes in mind, why only pharma sales and marketing and not any other general field? Because in other general field, language is not a bar. You can speak in any language. You are going to meet any class of people, whether they are educated or not. Sometimes you could feel disrespectful also, which you may not like it. But dear, this pharma industry is a very dignified field, identifies your unique qualities, train you specifically to fit into the market, and you will be very different from others. So be different, be unique in a crowd. Second point which comes in mind why to choose pharma sales and marketing is this profession as a medical representative, if you choose after your graduation, believe me, this is a profession full of pride. Rest assured, I'm telling you once again that if you give your 100%, stay in the same field, and do your best, sky is the only limit, and you will be proud of yourself and your profession too. Secondly, you are going to meet a very premium class of customers, that is, doctors. They are very qualified, highly dignified, very respectful, learned people. So, you will enjoy your job, and this is a point which will make you feel proud. No doubt, the list includes number of chemists and stockists too. But doctors will be your prime customers. You know, this is a very reputed job because you are the only person who are going to visit doctors in their chamber. Though number of times your HO persons, your seniors may accompany you, but you will be the brand ambassador of your company, which will be making the presence felt in the doctor's chambers. So your efforts means a lot. In addition to this, you will enjoy this reputed job. You are going to share a very scientific, technical information in a dignified and decent manner to the doctors. You will be sharing the USPs of your product, you benefits, their usage, indications, and so many other things. So don't worry because you will be fully trained by the professionals. So be prepared to learn, grow, and become a dignified learner. This field involves a lot of money, and more money. This is the only field here in which, if you start your career as a first job as a MR, you are going to get a very handsome salary which you cannot get in any other sales and marketing. In addition to this, incentives. After surpassing your sales targets, you are going to get incentives. Not even this. There is a special department called PMT who used to design specific product campaigns which will add more incentives for the specific products. So, this is a profession full of money, and money. In addition, this is a profession which will make you feel highly privileged because you will always find that I'm in a right job, I will love to do my job, and I would not like to change any moment of this because there will be no looking back. In addition, dear, as a MR, you will find that early performance based growth. Early you perform, more is your growth. More you put efforts, more is your growth. So everything depends upon your own efforts to reach to the top and passing through the ladder of success. I will take up in my next subsequent video regarding this ladder of success also. So keep growing, keep working hard, and enjoy the ladder of success, as this is not related with any time period or any of the things. It is only related with your performance. So fly in the sky. Today, one more thing I would like to point into it, that as a MR, you are going to earn very healthy relations. Whether you will stick to one company, whether you are keep on shifting the company, mind it, doctors are your prime customers and your relations are going to pay wherever you go. So, make good relations, earn them, put your efforts, and enjoy the success. So choose this profession, become a medical representative to start your first step of ladder towards the success as a medical representative. Thank you. If you have liked my video from Kulvinder Pharma Vision, your success, my mission always. Kindly subscribe, like, comment, share before you leave. Give your suggestions, give your topics, share your feedback in a very positive, genuine way, dear. So I'm keeping wait for your feedbacks. Keep waiting for my next video. My aim is to help you in choosing the right path of success. As I want to share a little bit, I myself is a B Farm graduate with MBA marketing, spent more than 20 years in the pharma industry, especially in the PMT, being a PMT starting from the beginning till the PMT head. But whatever I'm doing, I have specific objective in my mind to help each one of you to choose the right path of success. So stay safe, be healthy, study and enjoy, and see you soon. See you soon in my next video. Hi friends, be happy, be healthy, stay soon, keep enjoying and study hard.